Welcome back, everyone. In our last video, we learned about data types and how they're used in real-world applications. In this video, we're diving into the different types of operators available in C#. From this point onward, I'll be using an online C# code editor to run our programs. But here's the deal. I highly recommend you stick with the .cas file, the .cas file, and good old Notepad or Notepad++ as your editor for now. It'll level up your hands-on skills and shape you into a better programmer. Stay consistent, trust the grind, you'll thank yourself later. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform a specific action on one or more variables. You can think of them as tools to calculate, compare, or modify values. Arithmetic operators are commonly used to perform basic mathematical operations on variables. Some common arithmetic operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's write some code to explore these operators in detail. I am now using an online C# code editor to write the code. In this code, I'm going to create two integer variables called number1 and number2. Then, I will perform four mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on them. Finally, I'll print the results to the console. Notice how I am using the arithmetic operators on these two variables. I am initializing number 1 to value 50 and number 2 to value 10. And finally, we print the result on the console. When I run this program, the console is showing the correct result of all the four operations we did. I recommend that you write this program line by line yourself and try running it. It will help you understand the concept much better. I am changing the value of number 2 as 11. Notice the result of the division, it's 4, but it should be something like 4.54. This is happening because we are performing the operation on two int variables. To fix this, we need to change the type of the integer variables to float. Now, after changing the type to float, we can see that the result of the division is correct. Now let's see what happens when we change the type to double from float. As you can see, the result of the division has some extra decimal places. This is because double values are more precise than float values. If you need more precision, you can use double. Also, the size of a double is 8 bytes, whereas a float is 4 bytes. Now let's change the type to decimal. Here, the result of the division now has more precision than the double value. Arithmetic operators in C# are used with numeric types like int, float, double, and decimal, but not with non-numeric types like bool, string, or char. There is one exception, the plus operator, which is also used for string and char concatenation. And that wraps up our lesson on arithmetic operators in C#. Practice them well, and you'll be crunching numbers like a pro.